Hey guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how to swap your BSC token to Tatcoin, using Tatswap on Trustwallet. Step 1, click on D apps. Step 2, search for Tatswap. Step 3, select the first option. Step 4, on the top right side click on the Ethereum icon and select Smart Chain. Step 5, click on Connect Wallet. Step 6, click on the menu option and select Swap. Step 7, go to CoinMarketCap and copy the Smart Chain contract of Tatcoin. Step 8, click on Select Currency and paste the contract, then select Tatcoin. Step 9, enter the amount that you wish to swap. Step 10, click Swap. And then confirm swap. Step 11, click Approve. The coin has been swapped. So now let's close and go check it out on the balance. Thanks for watching, please subscribe.